that I'm on my journey towards making a difference to people's lives, and we make this difference through research. Now, what has happened is there is research that we have done over the last 25 years, and what has been done by this organization is they have understood what the impact is of the research. So it's not the total number of papers that you have published, but how many of these research articles have been cited by other people, and has it made a difference to anybody else? And that's what I've been doing research for all these years. What I do is really what is called epidemiological research. So research in the community to find out what is the state of the condition that is there, how are people coping up with it, and how we can develop better models for making an intervention for such people with dementia. This research, I really feel embarrassed to be taking the credit myself, because it's always a research team that has been working with me. And I have been fortunate to be working with some of the best world-class mentors like Dr. Vikram Patel, Professor Charles Reynolds, and from the Goa Medical College itself, my late Professor Modkare, who kind of inspired me to take on this journey. So
that Dr. Amit Dias, Assistant Professor, Department of Community Medicine, Goa Medical College, is rated among the world's top 5% scientists in the 2025 SciRank Global Registry. This prestigious recognition reflects Dr. Dias's outstanding contributions to research in the field of Alzheimer's disease, dementia, mental health, and diabetes.